Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we are coming to learn something about how to export GeoTIFF map from Google Earth Engine to ArcMap or any software that you are using. So let's quickly get into it. So first of all, you have to generate your code either using AI or typing your own code. So I've already typed my code here, which as we all can see, you can see we are using this data for the tutorial. So this is Moody's. I use Moody's data for NDVI, and then I selected 2023 to 2023. That's the 12 months period, and then we just generate our NDVI map. So if you have your code, you can just copy it. We can just copy the code and then go to Google Earth Engine. You can just copy the code and go to Google Earth Engine and then paste the code. So as you can see, I have pasted my code here, and then you can see the study area here and then the date. So if you don't want 2023, you can change the code to any date that you want, and then you can see we have the data that we use, that the mode is 061 mode 1 track 1, and then we have our color palette here. And then this is one of the most important thing you have to take note: the export code. If you don't add the export code, you will not get the special map from here. So you have to always add your export code as GeoTIFF. As you can see here, I've added my code as GeoTIFF here. Then you can see the GeoTIFF map will be downloaded to Google Drive, where we will download it to our file explorer or where you save your documents. So let's quickly run it and then see the result that you'll be getting. Okay, very quickly and fast. So as you can see, we have generated our NDVI map. So as you can see, we use Moody's to generate this map, and then Moody's have a limitation and then some sort of backlog. So when you are working with a very large area like a country or a metropolitan area or a district, you can use Moody's data. But when you are working with a very small geographic area, because of its lower resolution, which has a resolution of 250 meter and a 500 meter, you can't use Moody's because the map will be pixelated. So whenever you are working with a very big area, you can use Moody's. But when you are working with a small area, I recommend you use Sentinel or Landsat image. So as you can see, our GeoTIFF map has been generated here. So as you can see, we will run this one and then we will follow it to our Google Drive and then download it there. So as you can see, this interface, that's the initiate map export. So you can see the tax name here, that's the Moody's NDVI gamma, and then the scale is 250, and then you can see the Moody's NDVI gamma, that's the file name, and then the file formats, that's the GeoTIFF. Then you just click on run. So as you can see, our map is running, so we will just wait for it and for it to run. Okay, so it's running, so we just have to wait. And then this export code, you can just make any change that you want to change. If you want to change the name or if you want to change anything. So if you don't want the dates, or do you want to change the date to any date you want, you can do that. So as you can see, our map has already been downloaded here, so we just have to follow it. Then we just have to click on this arrow and then you go to open in Drive. So when we click on it, open in Drive, it will take us to Google Drive where the file has been uploaded to. So as we all can see, we can see our file here. That's this one, that's the 2350, which just downloaded. So we will click on these three dots and then download it to our file explorer. Okay, so as we can see, our file has been downloaded here. Since I have already downloaded one file, that's why you can see it has been showing one. Okay, because they have similar names. So the next step is we open our ArcMap, we add our shapefile for Greater Accra, and then we import our GeoTIFF map that we just downloaded. So as you can see, I already have my Greater Accra shapefile here. So what we have to do next is we have to locate where we downloaded our GeoTIFF file and then import it here. So we have to just look through where we downloaded it. So I have mine at C user my PC and download. So as if I go to my download, I will see where. Okay, so this is it. So we just have to click on it, select, and then click on add. So as we can see, we have added our map. So this is the spatial map that we just generated from Google Earth Engine. So to eliminate the black portion from it, that's the error margin, and then we just keep our steady area. We just have to we just have to clip our steady area to the spatial map so that we can eliminate all these spaces from here. So you just have to go to your search bar, and then you search for clip, or you can also use the geoprocessing tool here where we have clip here. You can use this one, or you use our add toolbox or the search bar. So I have my search bar here, so I'll just type on clip. So if I type on clip and then I run it, you can see we have clip, that's the data management tool. So you just have to select data management tool. So as we can see, it's running, so we just have to wait for a few seconds for it to run. Then we just have to, and then we insert our steady area map and then the NDVI map to get our steady area to eliminate the black portion that you can see it over here. Okay, so this is our clip. First of all, we have the input raster, the output extent, and then this one, the minimum maximum. So this one, the first thing, the input raster will be the GeoTIFF map. That's the spatial map. So you just have to select it. Okay, so we have it, and then the output extent will be our steady area. So we just have to select our steady area, that's the Greater Accra, as you can see it here. Then use input feature for clipping geometry, and then we have maintain clipping extent. All is optional, but is very necessary. Maintaining clip extent means the clipping will base on the steady area and then eliminate all other portions from it. So to be on the safer side, you have to just check the tool and then click on OK. Okay, so we have our new clip here. So if I uncheck this one, you will be you will not see all the black portion on here. So let me just uncheck this one. Okay, so as you can see, we have our map here. So now our map is ready for analysis. So as you can see, you can just remove this one from here. So now this is the map that we are working with, so we can just change the color. Okay, so we can just change the color palette and then use different color. Okay, so as you can see, we have our NDVI map. So this is how we export GeoTIFF map from Google Earth Engine to ArcMap for further analysis. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave any comment that you want me to explain further. Thank you very much for your attention.